Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the Easter event in Fisch. So in this latest update, Fisch added a brand new Easter event. And if you want to join it, the first thing you need to do is head over to Easter Island like this. And once you arrive, just look near the bridge, this one. You will find a special event marker at this area, this one, that it will shows when the Easter event start like this one. And this event usually happens every 4 hours and lasts for 1 full hour. And so make sure to check the timer and be there before it begins. And when the event starts, just go to the pond in the middle of the island like this area. That's where the Easter event takes place. And during this event, you will get a better luck boost for catching special Easter fish. And so if you are trying to complete the event collection or farm rare fish, this is the best time to do it. And okay, that's how you can join the Easter event in Fisch. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.